Heads up, coming through.
Okay, stack it right here.
We're almost full, let's keep moving.
All right, batch 42 is logged at 550. Go ahead and take it to the wash station.
Guide the large ones into the channel now.
Yes, keep the flow steady.
Make sure those aren't tangled before they hit the transfer station.
Got it, I see a few over here.
Batch 7G, confirmed. Moving to botanical extraction now.
Batch 456 approved. Move it to the line. Incoming shipment. Clear the path. Looks fresh. Keep the line moving. We're almost through this batch.
Batch tags confirmed. Condition is good. You may proceed to sterilization.
The new batch is here, start trimming immediately.
Okay, moving it to the line.
The flow rate seems optimized now.
Yes, the sap residue is completely gone.
The trim looks good on this
The trim looks good.
on this batch.
Yes, minimal waste. This batch consistency is excellent, much better than Tuesday's run. Keep it up. Make sure this batch is labeled correctly before we move it.
Got it. This one is ready for the hopper. Pressure looks good at 50 psi.
Right.
Copy that. Flow rate is steady.
Gauge is stable. Rails secure. All right, commence transfer.
Glycerin going in.
Confirmed. Next up is the shea butter.
Batch 452A confirmed. Flow is looking good, moving it along now.
The texture seems uneven here.
I've adjusted the feed rate. Better now.
Check the alignment on feeder 3. The sensor light is green.
Yep. Looks steady now. The pressure is holding.
The logo depth is clear on this one.
Yeah.
Yes, the alignment is perfect.
Alignment looks good on this batch.
Confirmed. The transfer rate is steady. The cooling speed is optimal. Confirmed. They are entering evenly. We can proceed to phase 8.
Reading at 35.2. That's within tolerance. Looks good.
The logo definition is perfect here.
Confirmed. Surface smoothness is consistent across the batch.
Alignment is good. Yes, perfect flow now. The logo depth on this one looks good. Yeah.
Yes, the green tone is consistent as well. We can pass the batch.
The polish is excellent on these. Consistent color too.
Good.
Good.
Keep monitoring the speed. This one is underweight. I am removing it from the line now.
The batch is approved. Start the line. Confirmed, Supervisor. Running smoothly.
Seal quality looks consistent. Yes, running smoothly now.